Hi everyone, welcome to Aura Dance. Are you too busy that you don't have time for yourself to stretch and relax during the day? Let me show you a few easy stretches you can do while waiting for your morning coffee to make or while watching TV. You don't necessarily need a wall, a door or anything else that you can lean against will do. Let's get started. First up, calves and forearm stretch. Keep your legs hip-width apart. Bring your arms out straight at shoulder level and press the palms flat to the wall. Step the left foot behind, press the heel down to the floor and bend the front knee. Keep your weight shift towards the front as you push hard against the wall. Now step the right foot back and press the heel down. Keep the spine lengthened and elbows straight. Tricep stretch. Bring your hand to the back, press the elbow on the wall, and shift your weight forward, touching the knee towards the wall. Let's switch to the other side. Keep the chest open and press the arm forward. You will feel a nice stretch on your triceps all the way down to the lats muscle. Shoulder stretch. Stick the palm at inner side of the arm on the wall, press the shoulder down, then look away from the wall. This opens up the chest and shoulders, which helps relieve neck and shoulders pain from long hour use of computer. Let's switch to the other side. Keep the chest lifted and spine lengthened as you hold the stretch. The next glute stretch is best for those who sit or stand for long hours. It can basically be done anywhere you can lean your waist against or grab on a handle for balance. Now take your left leg and cross on top of the right knee. Then bend the knee and hinge forward. Make sure you maintain the balance well with the support of the hand behind. Let's switch to the other side. Chest opener is my favorite as it gives an instant relief on the chest muscle and calm my breaths. Hold the elbows up at a 90-degree angle on the two sides of the door frame. Then press the chest forward. If you want a deeper stretch, you can even open the door so that you can press forward more. flexor stretch. Step the right foot out, shift your weight forward, and bend the knee. Keep the heel of your back foot on the ground, then bring the left arm up and touch the door. You will feel a deep stretch along your hip and lower back. Let's switch to the other side. Remember to keep your hips squared, shoulders down, and spine lengthened as you bring the arm up. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Aura Dance YouTube channel. See you all soon!